Introducing the 2024 CUPRA Leon 2.0 TDE with 150 horsepower. 5-door in stunning red, loaded with features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking and more. This car is sure to impress. With only 5,699 km on the clock and registered new in 2024, it's practically brand new. Plus, it's been fully serviced, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for peace of mind. Don't miss out on this stylish and safety-packed vehicle. Call us today or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information. Drive away in your dream car today